Hey guys, welcome to Desk Jockey Physio, where we help active desk folks feel and move better. My name is Mitch Starkman. I'm an FCAMP registered physiotherapist and sports medicine clinic owner here in Toronto. Thanks for stopping by. Hey everyone, two quick updates before we jump into today's video. Number one, we have a free giveaway today. If you head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/guide, you can download your 5-step guide of how to set up the perfect laptop home office, which you can do right here, okay? And number two, we are now offering online physiotherapy sessions for you folks out there. To learn more about that, head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/online, and we'll see you there. All right, otherwise, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of our Poppin' Lockin' Shoulder series. Part 1, if you haven't gone back and watched that, go ahead and check that out. That one's all about different exercises you can do to rehab this injury. It's one of the original videos we did, actually. We had so many questions, we made a part 2. Part 2 talks about the anatomy and what's going on from an anatomical level. You can make sure you check that out. And then part 3 today, I want to talk about how to manage this in your day-to-day, in your workouts. Now, if you do have more questions after this video, please go ahead and check out these online programs we have created because we've had so many questions and some good success with them, so we've now made them available. We have 3 options. The first one's actually super inexpensive and kind of do it yourself. There's one with a little bit more one-to-one, and then of course some consults you can do with us as well. So go ahead and check that out, link below in the description. But let's get to the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it helps. And of course, make sure you watch all 3 to sort of get what you need, okay? All right, let's talk about how to manage that clicky and wonky shoulder. Now, there's no way around this. You have to get stronger, okay? And that's not what we're talking about in this video. You can check that out in part 1 of this or one of our online programs. But today we're talking about what to do and how to manage this. So the biggest thing becomes you need to be strong and bulletproof in this lower plane of motion. So anywhere down here, right? And then eventually work your way up into overhead positions. Now, if you're getting clicking or grinding or wonkiness with your shoulder, we don't want that in our training, right? We want to be solid and strong in this position, then move to this one, to this one, to this one, and more overhead. The most common movements we see these issues happen in is 2 positions. One is with a push. That might be a bench press and or a push-up position. And the second might be working overhead. Right? Anything up here, we kind of get this clicky and weirdness that happens in the shoulder. So the way we can modify this or improve this is take your training and gear it down. If you find you're clicking, for example, when you go over 80 degrees of flexion or overhead motion, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take that out and we're going to load lower. If you find it starts at 90, you're going to load below that. If you find it starts at 45 degrees, you're going to load below that. Same thing goes for this plane here. As you get stronger and you improve, whether doing some of these corrective exercises on your own or through one of our programs, you can then gradually progress your range up as your strength improves. So if I go ahead and I get a click when I do, for example, a skull crusher or a face pull, right, in this position, then I'm going to go ahead and load it lower and see if I can't keep my humerus or my arm bone more centered in my joint as I do it. So I'm now loading here. I'm doing my presses here, for example, as opposed to up here. I can go ahead and rather than pressing out in this plane, where I might get a click or a pop, I might come in front and do my press here. So you got to find where you're centered and most comfortable in your joint and work there. Get real strong and then move up those degrees by 5-10 degrees each time as you become more and more strong and stable and build up. If you want specific exercises or things we can do to help improve those things, please check out our previous videos and or our programs. If you haven't already, please go down and smash that like button. That really helps us grow and kind of get people to know us. Subscribe, of course. Have a healthy, happy, and awesome day. And of course, move like you mean it. I hope this helps you guys manage this issue and know when you can push and not push. Don't push into the click, get stronger, and be awesome.